Imagine this. It's Christmas morning, birthdays, or any festival. The room is glowing, kids are excited, families are laughing, and suddenly, in just a few hours, mountains of shiny wrapping paper are ripped apart, crumpled, and tossed into the trash. But here's the shocking truth. Most of that glossy wrapping paper can't even be recycled. Instead, it ends up in landfills, polluting our planet for decades. All for a gift that was unwrapped in seconds. Before we dive into some beautiful, creative, and eco-friendly wrapping ideas, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss more tips on creative living and sustainable hacks. Idea number 1. Brown craft paper. Simplicity meets elegance. Let's start with the classic, brown craft paper. You've probably seen it at the grocery store, those plain, rustic rolls. At first glance, it may look boring, but that's where creativity begins. Add a sprig of rosemary, cinnamon sticks, or even dried orange slices on top, and suddenly it looks like a designer piece straight from Pinterest. The beauty is in its simplicity. And the best part? Craft paper is 100% recyclable and often made from recycled fibers. Idea number 2. Newspapers. Turning yesterday's news into art. Remember newspapers? Instead of tossing them, why not repurpose them? A gift wrapped in yesterday's news has a unique vintage feel. You can highlight funny headlines, use the crossword section, or even add a splash of watercolor paint on the black and white print to make it pop. It's quirky, it's eco-friendly, and it sparks conversations. Oh wow, you used the Sunday Times to wrap my gift? That's so cool. Idea number 3. Fabric wrapping. The Japanese furoshiki method. Now here's something truly timeless. Furoshiki, a Japanese tradition of wrapping gifts in cloth. Instead of paper, you use a square piece of fabric, scarves, tea towels, or even old shirts cut into squares. The wrapping itself becomes a part of the gift. Imagine giving someone a book wrapped in a beautiful scarf. They not only get the book, but also a stylish accessory. Idea number 4. Upcycle what you already have. Eco-friendly wrapping isn't about buying more. It's about using what's already around you. Think about old maps that look vintage and adventurous, sheet music for a music lover's gift, brown paper grocery bags cut open and decorated. Even empty cereal boxes can be repurposed as gift containers. All it takes is a little creativity. Idea number 5. DIY stamps and natural decorations. If plain recycled paper feels too simple, decorate it yourself. You can make stamps out of potatoes, use leaves dipped in paint, or even just doodle by hand. Tie it all together with jute string, hemp cord, or cotton yarn instead of plastic ribbon. Add dried flowers, herbs, or pine cones for that natural, rustic finish. Not only does it look charming, but it also carries a personal touch. Because you made it. The emotional shift. Why this matters. Now you might be thinking, but isn't this just a small change? True, but small changes create ripples. When you wrap with recycled materials, you're not just giving a gift, you're sending a message. You're saying, I care about you and I care about the planet. That kind of thoughtfulness is priceless. And imagine if millions of us adopted this? The amount of waste saved would be staggering. Instead of our celebrations harming the earth, they would become moments of harmony with it. Wrapping with purpose. At the end of the day, wrapping gifts is not just about beauty. It's about meaning. When we choose recycled paper, fabric, or creative upcycling, we're showing that our love doesn't come at the planet's expense. So next time you're about to buy a shiny roll of wrapping paper, pause. Look around your home. Think of how you can give a gift that looks unique, feels personal, and protects the earth. If this video gave you new ideas and inspiration, don't let it stop here. Try one of these hacks for your next gift and see how people react. Of course, if you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Because together, our small choices can create a big difference. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list, an emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Let's make gifting joyful not just for our loved ones, but for the planet too.